So now we're going to demonstrate the knot test. Usually I'm going to select many different areas, especially in my guest situation, because she has highlighting more heavily in the front, and in the back there's still some of her virgin hair color. So definitely want to do some different knot testing just to ensure that we're going to get a really good formulation. So here you notice if we look right at the knot, how her knot bounces open. So that means she's got really good healthy hair. Now this is a retouch that we're doing. We saw our guest last year, so it's been more than 1 year. So we have some previously straightened hair. We'll demonstrate that as well. Now you'll see the knot still did open up, a little slower, but it still did open up. So her hair is in pretty good shape considering that she has a Licio Japanese hair straightening and highlights as well. Now we're going to check in some other areas. We can see some of her virgin hair here. So no hair color at all, just her nice, beautiful blonde color. We'll do the same knot test here. And again, you see this knot really bounced open quickly, much more than the area that we did at the top. I'll check the previous hair, and again, beautiful. It opened up really nicely, so really good healthy hair. I highly encourage you to try as many tests as you possibly can, just to ensure that you're going to really create an amazing formulation for your guest. We're going to go ahead and zoom in just a bit. We'll check these side pieces where she's more heavily highlighted. And just put a little water. Dried up a bit while we were getting set up. So again, we're going to take just a small piece. We'll make our knot. And again, you see that knot, it opened up slowly, so it still has the enough integrity in the hair to perform a Licio. Again, we already know that this is going to be a milder formula. If we remember the hot tip from earlier, the quicker it opens, the stronger, the slower, the milder. Pretty straightforward. Now what I want to also demonstrate and give you another really great hot tip, and we can go ahead and zoom back out. Another hot tip I want to give you is the way the bags have a particular color to identify between your different solutions. So the solution color matches the strength. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the mild. And you'll see how the solution is more yellow. Let's do our normal. So again, I'm just going to apply a small amount just so I can let you guys see the different strengths and how the different color switches. So you see that's a little bit more green. And finally, our strong solution. This is our 100% strength. It's got our blue labeling for the strength. And then again, you're going to notice that it's also blue in color. One final hot tip that I think is really great is put your Licio solution in a red bowl. I don't happen to have a red bowl today, but it's orange, so it certainly is close enough. And then put your zero in your purple bowl. I find that this really helps when working, so that way I really ensure when I'm working with so many different things, and sometimes I have maybe more than one formula, that I really stay grounded in what is protecting and what is my solution. So we're going to get going with this, and we'll check in a little bit later. I'm going to come back once we've got our solution in our guest hair, and we're going to demonstrate how that knot test is being performed while the solution is on. So we'll check in with you in a bit.